Good morning, kabayan! Congratulations and thank you for saying yes today. So, yes na yes. Tama-tama po. So, by now, I'm Mark Adrian Abulo. I'm a real estate broker and also a sales director po now sa Landco. So, for the past 5 years, nasa international marketing po ako. Ayun. So, for today, we'll be talking about 7,641 islands, which is the Philippines, one beach town investment, and why La Ia now. So this is a Team 1 Orion Zoom series, yung team po namin, and explore your future home. So for today, we'll be focusing more on Club La Ia and Playa La Ia lots. Okay? Hello, Summer! Ayan, isayaw po natin. Summer na summer na. So as a matter of fact, second day of March, no, nag-declare ng ano na po, no school, no, dahil umabot na ng mga 42 to 46 degrees Celsius dito sa Metro Manila. So imagine waking up endless summer. This is what the Philippines feels like all year round. No, what better way to describe the Philippines? So let us watch this video. This is for ano po under Department of Tourism. Wow. Tama. Love Philippines. So, alam po natin, no, there are 7,641 islands. And simple lang si Pilipinas po, just add water. So, may believe, nakarelate po kayo dun sa mga landmarks na pinakita kanina. And so many beaches, but only one beach town to invest in. So, ito po yung purpose ng pag-uusapan natin. Okay? Beach destination. We're the Asia's beach destination, Asia's leading dive destination. Totoo naman. An island destination. Indeed, love Philippines. Tama po. So by now, we all know, familiar tayo sa Palawan. Ito yung mga famous destination ng sa Pilipinas. Ito yung Coron, Palawan, yung Barracuda Lake. So sino mga nakapunta na sa Palawan? Ang mga taga Palawan, I'm sure you're so proud of your ano po, Palawan. Of course, andyan din yung Bohol, the Panglao Island Bohol. Panglao Bohol. And recently, no, ito talaga nagigain na ng traction for the past 5 years because marami mga celebrities pumunta na dito na hindi net naman taga Siargao. So you will notice itong mga na-mention ko, ito na yung nagiging destination just like Boracay, Baguio, Palau. You don't need to be there. No? Yung, wala na pong, unlike yung ibang lugar na you need to be geographically related. Ibig sabihin po, yung kamag-anak mo, tatay, nanay mo, o ikaw, yung asawa mo, taga doon. But this time, wala talaga relationship. They just deal there na po. Pupunta sila doon. And yun na nga, no? It's gaining traction, no? Especially to, no? 224. Hey! So recently po, yan. Kung may mga konting marites lang po. So, yan po yung Siargao natin. And of course, we all know Boracay. Now, no wonder, no? Nanalo pa tayo. But let us watch this to describe yung coastline natin. 36,200 kilometers of coastline. Yes, we're one of the world's longest coastlines. So talagang maraming pagpipilian tayong beaches and coastlines, no? With 7,641 islands. The Philippines is not just about Palawan, Boracay, Bohol, or Siargao. There's one more hidden gem waiting to be rediscovered. At napakalapit lang nito sa Metro Manila and sa airport. At ito yung Batangas. So let us watch this this is from Department of Tourism about Batangas. Yung Laia po, nasa San Juan yun, Laia. Ayan, property po ng land po yan. Sa Nasugbu. Ayan, Kalatagan, meron din po dyan. Kaganda. Mabini, Batangas. Lubo, Batangas. Lipa. Oh yan, sarap po Lomi. Loming Batangas. Oh, Kapeng Barako. Okay. Oh, yan. Mismong ano po yan. Sa property rin ng land ko po yan. Caso Bay sa Calatagan. Yan. Nasugbu. Punta Fuego. Oh, di ba? Yes, malapit na malapit lang po yan sa Metro Manila. That is 3 hours. Tapos, with a lot of development, going infrastructure development, nako, mga ka-cut short po into 2 hours. Okay? So, yan. So, if we all know, let's talk about yung guide. Nakita natin, no? When we talk about Great Barrier Reef, ito yung pinakamagandang coral reef, no? It's like one country raw na nasa Australia. But, did you know, meron din pala tayong ganun, and we call it the VIP, the Verde Island Passage. So, let us watch this video about the VIP. Mga 3 minutes po ito.
Kung sa lupa ay may Amazon rainforest na itinuturing bilang the most biodiverse region ng Earth, ang Coral Triangle naman ang katumbas nito sa ilalim ng dagat na tinaguriang the Ocean's Amazon Rainforest. Ito ay kinabibilangan ng mga bansang Pilipinas, Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands at Timor-Leste. Alam niyo ba na ang Coral Triangle ay 1.5% lamang ng kabuuan ng dagat? Pero dito matatagpuan ang 76% of world's coral reef species at 37% of world's reef fish species. Kaya naman tinawag itong Center of the World's Marine Biodiversity. The Philippine Archipelago is indeed a place of paradise dahil dito mismo matatagpuan ang pinakapuso ng Center of the World's Marine Biodiversity, ang Verde Island Passage. Ito ay isang narrow body of water na naghihiwalay sa mga probinsya ng Batangas, Oriental Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, Marinduque at Romblon na may lawak na 1.14 million hectares. Kita mo agad ang napakaraming uri ng marine life dito sa Verde Drop-Off. Sa dive site na ito, makikita ang tila underwater mountain na nababalot ng iba't ibang makukulay na marine creatures. 2005 nang madiskubre ng isang marine biologist na si Kent Carpenter na ang Verde Island Passage ay may highest concentration ng marine life sa buong mundo.
Wow!
Kaya itinuturing ito bilang center of marine biodiversity. According to studies, 1,736 marine species ang makikita sa 10 square kilometers area nito. At simula 2015, mahigit 100 rare at bagong species ang nadiskubre sa Verde Island Passage matapos ang ginawang expedition ng California Academy of Science. Dito rin matatagpuan ang highest concentration ng shore fishes o mga isdang nabubuhay sa hindi gaanong malalim na parte ng dagat. Kaya hindi katakataka kung bakit isa ito sa mga world-class scuba diving destinations.
Grabe! Wala akong masabi. Sobrang na-speechless ako. Sa sobrang dami ng isda mula sa pinakamaliliit hanggang pinakamalalaki. Tapos sa sobrang dami nila, parang hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Kaliwa, kanan, punong-puno. Literal na punong-puno. Tapos sobrang ganda ng visibility, ang linaw. Tapos minsan yung isda pa yung lalapit sa'yo na parang ako, napapatulala na lang ako.
Captivated by the beauty of Verde Island Passage?
O, di ba? So, yan ang Verde Island Passage. So, credits to The Dive. Ito yung isang show sa UNTV. So, kita nyo naman yung reaction ng diver, right? So, punong-puno. And again, no, yung ano, no, yung ano, tinatag na coral triangle, no? So, yun yung malawak. Pero ang maganda doon, yung center na yun, the center of the marine shore fish biodiversity in the world is naandoon sa VIP, the Verde Island Passage. So imagine. So talagang dito sa world class, no wonder na nanalo tayo ng mga ganong awards, no? Best dive site, best island, okay? And ang good news, Batangas is really a coastline gold mine. So as mentioned, ito yung mga talagang may direct benefit pagdating sa Verde Island. So especially dito sa Mabini, Tingloy. So dito talaga yung drop-off ng papuntang Verde Island Passage. And of course, yung mga port area natin, Batangas City, Calatagan. So you will notice Calatagan, ito isa sarili. Kasi ang Calatagan, no, mostly sila, no, para corner. Malawak ang mga shoreline nila. And of course, the San Juan. Okay, this is where the Laia is located. So San Juan is the star of the South. Papakita ko po mamaya. So welcome to San Juan, the home of Laia Beach. Okay? So with a stunning 33-kilometer coastline and marine protected areas, San Juan has become a top destination for beach lovers and travelers alike. So let us watch this video by San Juan. So I hope nag-i-enjoy po kayo manood ng one tourism video talaga, no? The only way makakonect tayo dito sa investment natin is through this one, yung experience na pwede natin makuha ng buong pamilya actually. yan. So from Philippines to Batangas, and ito na, to San Juan, ang dami talagang makikita. So really, all year round yung summer. So napakita rin kanina, no? So just want to mention, Sigayan Bay, and yun yung white sand. And yung Tayabas Bay naman, may black. So may white and black. So ang good news, yung ating Laia Beach is a white sand. Okay. So bakit siya so no, Star of the South? So by now, nag-release ang Philippine News Agency and Tourism, the Department of Tourism, regarding yung mga 2020, this is 2023 tourist arrival, no, both for local and international. So let us discuss this. Palawan is almost 1 million. Bohol, 1 million na rin. It's really growing. Boracay, it's around 2.1 million. And what is very impressive, kasi nga napakalapit lang nito sa Metro Manila, no? Batangas is 3.3 million. So why San Juan? Kasi with that one, you will notice out of the 3.3, almost 2 million noong 2023 ang nagpunta sa San Juan. Grabe po, di ba? 3.3 sa Batangas, 2 million. So that was 2023. Last year, nag-release na rin po ang tourism ng San Juan, and ang umabot na po ng 2.5 million. And what does it mean? It only means like, ito nga, overnight travelers is 860. So they need accommodation. So it will really be growing na. Yun ang maganda dito. And a lot of developers are coming really here in San Juan talagang to have a development which is sustainable. So San Juan tourism arrivals are skyrocketing, a sure sign that more and more tourists are rediscovering this destination. Now the question is, so ito po yung tanong ko, will you rather visit or own a piece of it? Okay, so by now, ang San Juan, as I mentioned, is a marine protected area. So very sustainable po. And that area, nasa south tayo. Andito yung Hugom, Marine, Laia, Playa, marine protected areas. So in the next generation, yes, may enjoy pa rin nila po itong coastline. This is part of the Verde Island Passage ng San Juan. Okay, let's talk about Lanco first. No? Ito yung proud na po ako. No? Dito na po ako ngayon sa Lanco Pacific. So the Lanco Pacific is the first mover in Laia, San Juan. Okay, Lanco has been here for 35 years na po, and recently lang, 2022, it's owned 100% by Metro Pacific Investment, led by the CEO and Chairman of the Board. Kilala niya po yan, MVP Manny V. Pangilinan. So, ang sister company po namin, PLDT, Smart, Meralco, Metro Pacific Tollway, LRT, Metro Pacific Health. So, yung mga kilala natin, Asian, Makati Med. So, yan pa, may Cardinal Santos sa Green Hills. Yan, part 2 yan. And Maynilad and the Metro Pacific Logistics Movers Incorporated. So, it only means lang po talaga, by now, ang Lanco, may pera talaga. Okay, so ang ating calling card pagdating sa Lanco development. So, they started it by 1990 po. So, yan na po yung calling card natin. Pag sinabi natin kasi Lanco, it's more of residential talaga. It's an upscale resort residential. At ang unang-una po naging project nila, development, ay itong Punta Puerto. Grabe po yan, grabe. So in terms of investment, mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo paano grabe naging capital appreciation. Yes, hindi po yan sa New Zealand, ha? Hindi yan Miami, yan. Batangas lang po yan. Ang gaganda ng bao. Hindi yan Florida, no? Gaganda. Ano pinagmamalaki ni Trump? Mar-Lago? That's been there for almost na rin po. 30 years development. And na-sustain, napanatili nila po yun nila. Yung environmental appeal, yung the turquoise. Okay. So by now po, meron na titong marina, may golf course, tapos may Club Punta Fuego. So that is the Puenta Fuego Heritage. Para pong Fuego is fire, no? Parang fire daw kasi. Yung kanyang, ito yung ano po, Peninsula de Punta Fuego. So by now, ito, na-check yung isa sa mga kilalang mga, ano po, broker house, which is the Pre-Celo. 290 million and sold siya, and 170 million sold na rin po siya. So imagine, let's say, oh, they started 1994 is around 4,600 per square meter. So, wow, grabe. So, by now, siguro nasa 100,000. So, 1,000, ano nila yung mga nasa 1,000x? One, it's really, ano po talaga. That is what is capital appreciation talaga. So, yan ang maganda dito. Wealth building talaga po. So imagine, no, nakabili ka for example ng 1,000, let's say 5,000, no? So nabili mo lang siya ng 5 million tapos nagpatayo ka ng bayan. You can sell it at that price point na po. So no wonder talaga ito yung tinatawag na ano no? South Forbes. Yan talaga yung Forbes part ng ano ng Batangas. Okay. So ano nga ba now by now ano na next na mangyayari no? So yes, we all know yung live, work and play ng BGC. Okay, so imagine, live, work, and play, master plan, business district, ilagay mo sa Boracay. So we all know what happened sa Boracay, no? Kaya nag-lockdown siya ng 6 months kasi they need to implement yung mga regulations, no? And make it talaga compliant in terms of environmental and land use land use. So yan, we are all familiar with that one, the mall, no? Now, yan na nga po, from residential to resorts to beach town. So right now, land po is into beach town na. So they started with upscale residential resort from Punta Fuego. Now, nasa beach town na tayo. So ganda yung concept. Kaya nga, BGC na. Sabi nga ng aming boss, BGC, it's sand, sand, and success. So live, work, and play. So this is way better than the business district sa Metro Manila kasi nga by the sea. So one developer saw the potential earlier. Opo. Yeah, right now, a lot of malalaking developers sa Manila are going really in Batangas. So what started with luxury residential resorts is now transforming into the first ever master plan beach town in San Juan, Batangas. Kami pa lang po yan na may beach town. Ito yung good news natin, live, work, and play. So, let us have ano muna, orientation. So, ang Laia po is located on the east side. Okay? San Juan is on the east side of Batangas. Okay? So, from Metro Manila or from the airport, so use South Luzon Expressway, dire-diretso lang to sa Star. Ayan. Yun. Tapos lalabas na po tayo ng Tanawan, Malvar, Padre Garcia, then San Juan na. Ang good news with the development, right now, it's ongoing na po in TR4. They're expecting full operation in the next 2 years. That will be faster access kasi Lucena City na po kayo. So from 3 hours drive to the airport, so it will reduce to 2.5 hours na lang po. So good news yun, 2 to 2.5 hours. So yan po yung maganda po. Yun yung sinasabi ko, still ongoing pa rin talaga yung decentralization ng Metro Manila and how you do to do that para mas convenient and efficient is to have mga infrastructure development. Talagang sabay natin. Okay, let's talk about yung Landco Beach Town. So live, work, and play. Okay, so live. Umpisahan muna natin po dito sa eastern side. Ito, dito sa aking right side. Okay, so sa east po natin, yan yung Playa Laia. Okay, good news. This is 96% sold na. At another good news, may magaganda pang lots po available na near sa beach. Okay, so yan yon. This is exclusive residential. Kung gusto niyo po pa-rent, long-term lang po ang pwede dito. Long-term leasing, so minimum of 30 days or 1 month. Okay? So let's go here. Ito naman tinatawag nilang Club Laian. Andito rin yun. Ito na yun, kompleto po. Kung kanina, live and play lang. Ito, live, work, and play. So you will notice, dito sa harapan niya, yung Club Laia Seaside District, yung malapit sa beachfront. Okay? That is the commercial and offices. Good news, sold out. Okay, another good news, doon sa across the street, yung Premier District, may available pa yan. So that is more on presidential. Pero ang good news, kung dito sa Playa Laia, exclusive lang po na residential and good for 30 days lang ang rental. Dito, pwedeng-pwede po yung short-term leasing of bed and breakfast. Okay? So, yun yung maganda. So, di-discuss pa po natin. At eto nga, Laia Beach, okay? Laia Beach is around 7 kilometers at 1.5 kilometers, okay, nasa harap ng property ng land ko. So 1 kilometer sa Playa Laia and 500 meters naman dito sa Club Laia. Okay, let's start first with Playa Laia. It's a master plan exclusive seaside residential. So yung nakikita po natin, this is the jewel. Okay, ito yung the Grand Coral Clubhouse. So andyan yung pool, andyan yung function rooms. Okay, this is the centerpiece, literal. And then you will notice, ang lapit-lapit lang yun sa beach. Okay, so may mga YouTube, ano na po ako dyan, videos about that. So hopefully ma-access nyo yung mga links. So yes, February 2025, there are only 25 units left. No? Okay, and anin yung nasa taas, Northern. Of course, mas maganda yung mas malapit sa beach kasi pag dito ka, parang kailangan mo pa mag-bike o mag-e-trike, no? Whereas, pag ikaw napapunta sa Phase 4, yun yung ginawa kasi hinuli nila po save the best for last. Phase 4 on the east side, okay, ito yung maganda dito, that is just 8 to 10 minutes walk to the beach or 10 to 15 minutes brisk walking sa clubhouse. So ang price range natin is around 11.7 million up to 30.3 million. Pero malaki naman, 700 square meters. So this is an exclusive. Talagang malalaki po yung cut natin. And of course, we want yung neighborhood. Minsan, maganda, di ba? To maintain talaga is, syempre, kailangan affluent din. Nakakaluwang-luwang, nakaka-LL yung mga neighbors natin. So power is like a real estate. It's all about location, location, location. We all know that. The closer you are to the source, the higher property value. So those lots, napakalapit po sa the Grand Coral Clubhouse and sa beach. Oh. That is the reason why may premium and that is the reason why later on, mas mataas ito, mas mabilis ang capital appreciation at mas mataas ang capital appreciation. Sa matter of fact, pag nagpa-appraise kayo, mas mataas to compared dun sa taas. Okay, no wonder, almost sold out na rin talaga yung harap na harap. Yan po yung available lot. Okay, this is a drone shot. This is an actual Grand Coral. Malapit na malapit lang po. Yeah, marami na po nagpapatayo. So that is Playa Laia. So let us have, yes, the beach. Ayan. Iko pa. Beachside lots is equal steps to the ocean. So this is a beachside property. Okay, and that is the Grand Coral Clubhouse. Ang architect po nito ay Buen Salido Architects. So thanks to them. Galing po sa kanila tong video na to. Credit to the owner. Ang ganda, no? So para po siya inspired by the table coral. Oh, di ba? Lapit lang so you can have an infinity pool para at least safe. Pero ito, safe po sa bata talaga kasi mababaw lang po yung shore natin. Ang ganda-ganda po talaga dito. So again, may mga links po ako dito na ilal ko provide. If you want to watch yung mga YouTube na mga 10 minutes YouTube ko about the boardwalk sa Playa Laia. Yung ganda. Ito po yung function room. So, mga weddings, birthdays, anniversaries. So, pag pwede, no? Ang ganda ng architecture po. That is really Buen Salido is really proud of this project po. And aside from that, meron pa rin hill type clubhouse. Doon naman po doon sa northern part na Playa Laia. So decentralized naman po. Kasi syempre malayo, they have to go there. So, maraming mga parks tayo. May mga, of course, ito yung boardwalk. This is a 1 kilometer with 1 kilometer shoreline. Beach park, opo, ito yung unang amenities doon bago pa yung along the shore. Okay, bago pa ang Grand Coral. And meron na po recent, nature park, ito, fitness park. Okay, naglagay na rin po. So by now, let us watch available lots. Magbibigay tayo ng sample para at least you can have an idea. So ito, this is the area po yun. Block 7.14. Ayan. Okay, yan po yung Playa Laia. So let us focus on Block 8, Lot 2. Yan, 390 square meters. This is mountain view facing north. Ito po yung frontage niya. Okay. And this is the option 1, higher discount. So if you want to have higher discount, higher down payment. Down payment lang po natin is 600,000 o $10,530. And you'll have a 10% discount. So almost 1.3 million. 23. Oh, malaki po. Malaki po yung discount natin. If you, you pay 5%. Okay, then the remaining 25% payable 22 months, 0% interest. Then may lump sum ka na 70%. So you can pay it in cash or enroll nyo po sa bank financing. Okay. Option number 2, lower spot down payment. So kung yung cash flow nyo, you want it mas manageable. So this time from 600, magiging 200,000. Good news, may discount pa rin na 5%, which is 666,000. So around 11,700. Pero lighter na po yung down payment natin. Then the following, tapos longer po yung kanyang 0% interest. Almost 35 months na po. So 102 po yung monthly niya. So perfect na perfect po. So very very flexible ang ating mga payment terms. So you will notice meron tayong lower down payment, higher discount, at meron tayong mga 0% in-house, no? So if you intend na lakihan pa yung in-house mo, no, para at least no interest, tapos later on yung lump sum po mababa na. Yes, you can do that kind of request po. Okay, so with Playa Laia almost fully sold out. So tamang-tama. So Mark my word, this will be last year na lang po yung Playa Laia. Kaya pag napanood niyo po ito, kontakin niyo po agad kami. Let's talk about it, about yung Playa Laia. So next will be the Club Laia Premier District. Okay, ito na po yun. Ito na yung live, work and play. Kanina live and play lang. Now this time, andito na yung office. So imagine yung sinabi ko, na business district natin, no? Ito yung business district, Seaside District and Premier District wherein pwede kayo magkaroon ng Airbnb o yung mga short-term leasing. So, while doon sa Playa Laia, minimum of 30 days. Dito, pwede pong daily po kayo. So, yes, ito yung kanyang gate. Ang ganda-ganda, no? Iconic yung gate niya. Tapos, ang ganda po na signage. May signage na yon along the Lobo Laia Road. Yes, yun po yung north view. Ang mountain view natin is north and west side. Okay, let's talk about Club Laia. So, ang centerpiece po nito, okay, kung kanina meron tayong Grand Coral, ito naman yung 233 meters linear pool. Yun po yung kanyang camp on, no? So, yun po yung kanyang selling point, especially if you'll be doing po mga bread and breakfast. Siyempre, there are reasons sa ba't ako pupunta dyan. Few talaga po in the world na may ganyang linear pool. So that will be a main attraction dito sa Premier District. So aside from that, it's a gated community because it's a subdivision, decorative and walkable exclusive streets per block. So yes, may mga painting po yan. Ganyan na ganyan po. At ang kanyang sidewalk, yan. And of course, meron tayong eco trail along the perimeter po ng property natin. That is the eco trail. So 1 kilometer po pag inikot nyo. And ito na po yun, no? Again, Lantos creating ways na para mag-create tayo ng need and mag-create ng demand. So may tayo lalagay na sports hub at may lalagay tayong events hub. Why? Kasi nga po, may mga investors tayo na into rental. So Lantos creating those kind of foot traffic, yung demand para magpunta dito. ma-experience nila yan and they have a reason na yan, magstay. So pag andyan yung mga, for example, events hub, no? Pharmaceutical company, kasama yung mga doctors, dyan na lang muna ng convention. Then maghahanap sila ng place to stay, no? Aside from hotel, pwede natin offer kasi lapit lang yan doon sa Premier District. So ganda ng idea po, no? So ito yung kanyang centerpiece.
I get those
This
goosebumps
is in
every
Mexico.
time, yeah. You
Imagine,
come
oh,
around, yeah. You ease my mind.
dati sa linya, po, konti lang po yun sa buong mundo.
Worry about those comments.
So mga famous po yung sa may Bali, St. Regis, ito sa Mexico, and Grenada, yung sa may Caribbean. Oh, look at that. So ganyan na ganyan po. So kunyari, meron kayong mga villas din na tinatayo. Yung buy the lot, tapos yung villas tinatayo nyo. See? Perfect. Di ba po? So a lot of people will be coming in. They have more reasons to visit Club Laia aside from the White Beach. Meron tayong linya. Saan sa Pilipinas may ganyan? Diyan lang po yan sa San Juan. So in terms of mga influencers, in terms of mga vloggers, talaga magpupuntahan dyan. Okay? So 138 lang po yan sa Mexico. Kalahati lang. 233 yung sa Club Laia Premier District niyo po. Okay? So, yan po yun. Okay? So, maganda dito, meron ding exclusive, dahil mahaba po to, 2/3 exclusively for residences and the 1/3 open for public. Okay? So, syempre, we need to make it, ano pa rin, no? To protect yung mga privacy rin ng exclusivity ng ating mga residents. Wow, blue water. Alam dala yung lock. Wow. Wow na wow. O diba? Ang sarap po mag-retire sa ganitong environment. At the same time, no, income generating din. It's really a healthy lifestyle. Babata po talaga tayo dito. Okay, yan po yung Premier District. Okay? So yan, marami pa po tayong lots dyan available. It's more than 25. Ito po yung availability niya. And you will notice, along the linear pool, yes, sold out na po. So, magaganda na. Tapos malapit po sa sports hub and events hub. Yes, okay. So, good news, marami pa. Mga 12.4 million lang po yung 300 square meters. Pero, tingnan natin, meron pong available na malaki-laki, yung Block 14. Okay? Lot 9. No, Block 14, Lot 9. Really perfect po para magkaroon ka ng bed and breakfast. So thanks to our boss Tom, and gumawa rin po siya ng video para, so yan, imagine meron kang meron kang ano dyan, bed and breakfast. Ito yung sports hub. Ito naman yung Seaside District. Okay? So, tapos na po ito. Siyempre, imagine lang natin ano mangyayari, no? So, that is the Club Laia Premier District. Okay? This is a more of presidential. So, yun po yung Block 14, Lot 9. And ito sa linear pool, malapit. Mas malapit din siya sa Sports Hub. Malapit na rin po siya sa Seaside District, which is in commercial and offices. So, by now, Block 14, Lot 9, 410 square meters. It's yun din po. If you want to have a higher discount, pag 5% po tayo, may 7% discount tayo. So 5% of that is almost 800,000 and 22 months, 0% interest. So you can as low as 181,000. So again, if you intend na to increase it, dahil nga you want to avail yung 0% interest, pwede po. Next, of course, no, kung if you focus on your yung cash flow nyo, so lower discount lang muna. From 800, pwede lang 240,000. Pero po, yan, lower down payment. Pero wala pong discount. So, ang munang discount po namin nasa 5%. Okay? No, this time, 140. Pero good news, almost 36 months po yung pay natin dito. Okay? 0% interest. So, yun po. Yung kanina, 22. Ito, 36 months. So, yes. So, napakita. Marami pa ho yan. Marami pa tayong payment. Of course, may cash, may deferred cash. Okay? So, ito pa lang yung isa sa dalawa. And of course, very flexible po. Pwedeng mag-request. Katulad na, if we want to increase yung 28.6, gawin mong 40%. Yung 140, gawin natin 250,000 a month kasi you want to avail po yung 0% interest. Imagine, 0% interest. Di ba? Ang ganda, nakaano po tayo, lighter installment, di ba yun ang gusto po natin? Okay, so by now, ito naman yung Seaside District. Ito na po yung commercial, di ba? Live, work, and play. Ayan. So it's like no other. What makes a beach town truly valuable? So let us look at this. Ito yung napuntahan ko sa no? Ito yung isa sa master plan beach town talaga, yung Surfers Paradise sa Gold Coast. So particularly po yung Cavill Avenue, yung Cavill Mall. Okay? So yan, no? Yan. Ito yung Cavill Mall. So kung may nakapunta po kayo, di ba may Surfers Paradise dyan, Art? Ito po yung Cavill Mall. So yes, no? Ganyan po, magiging mababa lang, butik lang po yung mga structure. Tapos eventually, doon sa gilid, sa outskirts will be high-rise. So, ayan. Ito po yung ito na, existing. Ito yun, no? Ang ganda, pero alam nyo, nagpunta ako, summer na raw yun, pero hindi pa rin ako nakalangoy. Ang lamig-lamig. Ang lamig ng tubig, grabe. I was there, mga ano po eh. Summer na yun, October, November eh. Kasi December po summer din nila eh. Yan na yun, October, November. Grabe! Ang lamig po ng tubig. Yan, so yung sinasabi ko, may boardwalk. Tapos may road. So, yung property line po natin, before yun sa beach, yan, tatawid ka muna ng road. Tapos may boardwalk na malapad. So, wider boardwalk. Ayun, nakita niyo po yung art. Wow! Yan, lalo na, no? Kung may mga family friends kayo na sa Australia, they know this. This is a Gold Coast. So, ganun po yun. So, hindi naman po bago sa atin yung pedestrian priority na yung spine, no? Yung pinaka-sentro, just like yung BGC, if you've been there, so ang sarap-sarap maglakad, tapos mababa lang, yung mga shops along the high street, that is from market all the way to Mine Museum. Pero ang good news dito, kapag tapos na, the end of the road is the beach. It's a different experience because this is by the sea. Kanina po 12 hectares, ito nasa 11 hectares. Yung Club Laia Seaside District. Ito, Seaside District. So yes, by now it's already sold out. Ito, kompleto na. Ito po, yan, yung ginagawa, meron na pong Grand Fountain. Ayun, ganda. Ito na yung Premier District. So, by now, ano na po ito? Halos may structure na rin talaga yung linear pool. That is the 233 meters linear pool. Ang galing ng design. Galing po ng pagka-design ng land ko dito. We're the leading land beach town. So a lot of developers right now are going in Batangas because it's an obvious reason because VIP, it's a world class. So at the same time, yung pinakamalapit kasi acceptable talaga 3 hours drive lang from Metro Manila in terms of yung mga tinatawag nating leisure development. And pasok na pasok tayo doon. So perfect po talaga. We still have very good lots available. Ito na po. And sa Seaside District, okay, ang available na lang po dito will be the condominium, which is, ang condominium natin is a beachfront. So walking lang siya. So, but by now, as part of the Live Work, meron na pong existing hotel managed by Landco under the Millennial Resort. So ito yung Club Laia Beach Club. Laia Beach Club. Ayan, no? Of course, marami tayong makikita mga mga content about Laia Beach Club. Ayan. For example, this one. Tingnan natin yung live, no? This is a 2 minute yung guest natin sa Cocoon. So,
goodbye responsibilities. Hello, beach. We're going to Cocoons at Laia Beach Club. Join me to go and check in and then we're gonna eat. Yeah. I'm with my family for this trip, but this place is perfect for millennials and Gen Z people looking for a beautiful place to unwind. We're eating lunch at The Sands, and they have a great assortment of food. Sobrang sarap! I couldn't believe that I was already full. Room tour, everyone! Let's take a look at our rooms! Sanitized and disinfected. Welcome to my crib. I'm in one of the cocoons. My parents are in the other side, and this is gonna be me and my sister's room. It's very intimate, guys. The coffee, the mini refrigerator, some cabinets, a safe. You can use it to put your luggages, seating area that I'm gonna use to work later on. It's just near the beach area and it's near the pool. Stars!
Look at their laundry. It's made from biodegradable material.
Ooh! Ooh, it's a spray! You wouldn't really feel like it's cramped. My sleep was divine. Kahit dalawa kami sa cocoon, the stars make it look like the room extends all the way to the sky. This is their communal CR. It's really well maintained. Dala lang kayo ng small bag with your toiletries. In our downtime, I would read my books, and my dad would exercise with some resistance bands that he brought. Surprisingly, he could do it even in the room. Let me bring you guys to the beach. There are also water activities that you can do like jet ski and banana boat. Then we went to the pool, and to cap off the day, we ate a lot in Captain Barboza. Worth it itong quick escape, just a road trip away from the metro. Shout out to my friends kasi rito na kami for our next vacation.
So yun, you saw it,
Goodbye,
The Sands. May dalang restaurant, The Sands, Filipino cuisine. Yung nakita niyo yung bulalo, yung sarap-sarap. And yun nga, Captain Barboza, yung burgers, barbecue, ribs. So yan. Kompleto na. That is really a glimpse, a preview of what will happen in the next 5 years in Club Laia. Kaya nga, ang dami na rin bumibisita. Actually, this summer, fully booked na po yun. Kukunti lang naman yung cocoons. Tapos meron din siyang camper van, camperisti. Okay, so yun, no? And sa seaside visit, meron din siyang boardwalk. This is a 500-meter shoreline. Of course, ang Playa Laia, yung kanyang selling point. 1 kilometer yun. Imagine, no? All throughout your stay there, talagang, ay nako, healthy na. Tapos, ang hangin mo coming from the sea, oh my, ang sarap-sarap ng pakiramdam. Kaya tungtuwa po ako pag bumibisita. And by now, and yun yung Plaza Laia, ayan, beach promenade, yung mga shops. So that is the idea. But again, ano na ng mga investors yan. So we don't know ano plano nila. Kung basta magko-comply lang sila sa mga height restrictions. Kasi may height restrictions per block. Okay? Kasi they want to maintain parang valley, yung mababa lang po sa gitna, tapos tataas lang. So yun po yung kanyang design yung restriction. Okay. So ito na. So this is the whole development. So by now, okay na yan. Okay na po yung Casa de Nana. Ito na, mas nakita niya, no? So ngayon, nagdaano na po sila. Waterproofing testing na. So last time I visited them, last week, March 8, March 7, yan. Ito na po yung signage na meron na. Ay, ang ganda. So tita, talagang congratulations kabayan, congratulations for taking time, reviewing this one. This is really, awesome talaga. It's really remarkable beach town. This is really fabulous, lifestyle. And of course, the reason din is really healthy. Yan yung 500 meters na white sand. Yeah, of course, paulit-ulit. Kasi may mga developers po, nakuha nila is the black sand. Ang laki po ng difference. Imagine that is just 10 minutes away and with the same price point. Or you rather have to have yung beach town. Kasi sa kanila, lang po, residential, purely residential tayo, beach town. Of course, ito na po yun. Sinabi ko recently, February 8, when we launched this one, ito na yung Grand Fountain with lights. O, yan, ang ganda. So again, these are part of the commitment ni Lanco to have more, to create demand, no? Magpuntahan yung public here. Ayan, of course, ito yung Casa de Nana, yung unang investor natin na nagpatayo na. Okay, so meron na siyang first advantage. Kasi imagine yung mga amenities na yan, no? Sila, yung mga guest niya at sila ang makikinabang kasi without any extra pay, di ba? Of course, meron lang silang binabayarang HOA, the estate association dues. So by now, ayan na, kumikita na rin sila. Kasi nga, this is, yes, may hotel and land ko, but that is tawag nga nila doon, unconventional experiences. That is the non-traditional hotels. Wherein, if you want to experience yung traditional, yan na, yung may kwarto talaga, di ba? Lalo na yung mga mga senior citizen natin, lola, na they don't want to try yung bilog-bilog na o kaya camper van. Yan. So, yun ang maganda. Indirect competitor yung Lanco. Oh, yan. Ang ganda na po ng view. So again, being the first mover, may advantage sila talaga na, yun, na-enjoy na nila yung mga amenities, pati yung guests. So that is the reason why ang ganda-ganda ng sales take-up din nila, reservation nila. And din sa roof deck nila, may bar. So, pag may, yun eh. Yun yung ginagawa natin. We all know in Batangas, in terms of social life kasi is, andoon lang yung Batangas City, Lipa. So by now, with this kind of beach town, yun na nga, it's a business district, live, work, and play. Yan, no? So meron diyang yan, nagbabanda po yan. So yan ang maganda dito. O roof deck, tapos may sound, so dito kayo mag-date, mag-spend ng anniversary nyo. O, yan yung Casa de Nanay. And good news, ako rin na-curious ako, siguro it's a big corporation na may-ari ng Casa de Nanay. Pero ang Casa de Nanay yan, yun po si Sam. Ito yung bata. Ito yung nag-interview po, no? Yung RD Talk. So, ayun po yung si Sam. Yun yung sa right ko. Bata po. Yan. Sabi nga, itong hotel po talaga ginawa to para sa nanay ko po. So, siya yung nagmamanage po. Anak po siya ni nanay. Di ba? So, I know, no? Hindi, lalo na po kayo, no? Alam ko, nagsisave po kayo. Dollar earner. So, pag-aralan po natin. Let's talk about if you intend na magkaroon po ng mga bed and breakfast, yun nga, short-term leasing doon sa Premier District. Okay. If you agree, sabi nga ni Sancho, opportunities multiply as they are seized. Just like what happened kay Casa de Nanay. They grabbed the opportunity and it multiplies. Ato na, nandyan na po yung mga landmark natin na bibisitahin ng mga public. Yeah, just like yung fountain, the boardwalk, and that is no extra cost for them. So yung nakagandahan na having that kind of partnership, you're an investor, private investor, tapos meron kang private developer na tinitingnan talaga yung kaninang vision is to share yung yung wealth, no? Hindi pwede naman soloin nila to, kami na magde-develop na, pero iba pa rin na you share it with a lot of investor. And of course, you own it, the land, you own it, the land. May titulo na you can pass it sa next generations niyo. Okay, so again, with commercial, residential lifestyle amenities rising, so taking shape, but the story doesn't end. So the next na po is yung condo na the Spinnaker, which I'll be discussed on the next Zoom kasi ang haba na po nito. So nag-focus muna tayo sa lote. So just a review, yung lote po natin, una is an exclusive lot na sa Playa. Playa means beach. Playa Laiya na may 1 kilometer po na shoreline. That is only for long-term leasing, no? Minimum of 30 days, so 1 month. Whereas yung isang lote naman po, andoon yun sa may Club Laiya Premier District kung saan meron tayong 233 meters linear pool. So yun po yun. By now, marami pa tayong lots doon. And that is for bed and breakfast or short-term leasing. So pwedeng sinasabi niya pating pang Airbnb. Okay, those are the lots. No? Ito po yung next is the condominium. So I'll be discussing in the next Zoom series po. And before that, syempre, last February po, last week of February, so yan ang good news.
Right, just one more before the overall world's best, and that's the best international sustainable residential development. Here are the contenders. Africa, Domaine d'Anbalaba by Bouygues Development. Americas, Montvert by Orr. Arabia, My Moon Gardens by Fakhreddin Properties. Asia Pacific, The Spinnaker by Landco Pacific Corporation. Europe, Classic Plus by Country Rose Limited. The winner of Best International Sustainable Residential Development goes to The Spinnaker by Landco Pacific Corporation.
But our our CEO, si Sir Erickson Manzano, Sir Eric, EYM. Ayan, he was surprised simply because ito na po yung world. So, andito sila kasi nga po, nanalo tayo ng Asia Pacific. Pero for this one, it will be a surprise for the world. So, nakita niyo po yung kalaban natin across continents, best of the best. Yes, the Spinnaker po is the best international sustainable residential development. I'll tell you more about that the next Zoom po natin about the Spinnaker. So, yan po yung The Spinnaker. The Beach Town story is just the beginning. So, ito na po yung next. Pero, of course, no, marami sa atin gusto rin yung lote, no? Somewhere there's a beach chair with my name. So, hopefully ako rin. I'm praying, kaya nagsisipag po tayo. So, congratulations, kabayan, and maraming salamat for saying yes. And sabi nga ng ating famous na girl group dito sa Pilipinas, really, this is a triple A investment. Hey! Good morning! Thank you!